Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar CAD pushed up really hard. Now, I do agree that this looks like a possible ABC correction, but if that is an ABC correction, it really doesn't fit with the rest of this. I always like to see symmetry in the market, and if this is a pullback, then it is way bigger than these other pullbacks that you're seeing. So I'm not saying that it may not potentially keep going up, maybe even go up to a much higher Fibonacci level, but I still think there's a good chance that this is actually like a wave one and this is a wave two and it's going to make a lower high and possibly go down for a wave three. But we do have to be careful. I mean, it definitely could go up much more. It's not a very big pullback so far in the higher time frames. But going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely have a bigger structure. We definitely have a nice impulsive move down. I think there's a good chance that this could be a wave one. There's a good chance that this could be a wave two. If we get a nice 78% fib bounce today, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, especially if it gives us a nice solid break of structure, that would definitely be the evidence I would be looking for to go short for in a big wave for a wave three. So it doesn't have to do that, and if it doesn't bounce from the 78%, if it doesn't make it engulfing down, then there's really no short. And it may end up turning into a much bigger, more complex pattern on like the 4 hour daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.